some dust here. Control, this is flight. We have landed on the moon.
Third phase moon, Blake Cousins. Welcome back, everybody from around the world. We got two incredible videos I want to share with you coming in from Brazil. Two videos from Brazil. Let's get to it right now of what looks to be a Vamana, a strange craft in the sky captured in HD. Take a look at this. We're going to take some stills off the original video. Let's get a close look at whatever this golden chariot is. Some people are calling this a Vamana. Incredible video just in. I want to share it with you right now, and it lasts for quite a while. Let's just take a look at this. Let's run with it raw. Incredible still imagery coming off the video itself. It was shot in HD. We're looking at it very close. A clear picture of whatever this craft is. Definitely not a drone in my book. Not a balloon. Something not of this planet, in my opinion. What are we looking at here?
We have landed on the moon. Control, this is flight. We have landed on the moon.
The Vimanas, known in ancient India, were powered by anti-gravity. They took off vertically and were capable of hovering in the sky like a modern helicopter. These ancient scripts hold exquisite details of 70 authorities and 10 experts of air travel in antiquity. It is presumed that some of these texts also might talk about interplanetary travel, but that will be revealed in due course of time when translators will be able to comprehend these manuscripts. However, the great Indian epic Ramayana holds a description of a trip to the moon in a Vimana and the battle fought on the surface of the moon with an airship. Wow, are we looking at a Vimana captured in Brazil? Incredible imagery. I want to get your people's opinions below. Definitely leave your comments, thumbs this up, and if you have friends that aren't believers, you might want to show them this. Right? What do you make of this incredible video?
What?
Like, this is like nothing I've ever seen before. It's very unique in characteristics, and it does very much resemble a Vimana. There are strange aspects to this thing. What keeps it afloat is a big question. Alright, I'm looking at this object right here. We got a really good pic of this thing, and the resolution is quite high. You make out a lot of detail, and what I'm looking at is something otherworldly. It looks like it's been through a lot, and it's been around for thousands of years. There's corrosion on it. It almost seems like an antique.
Yeah, you're right, Brent. Definitely has some patina on this thing. It definitely has elements of being worn down. It's been through the ringer, whatever it is. It definitely seems like it's old. Could it be ancient, from the ancient Indian beliefs? Did this craft make it to the moon and back? That's what the ancient script says. We're speculating here, but the video is proof in itself. And definitely, again, it's not a drone, people. It's not a drone. It's not a balloon. What is it? What's making it hover in midair? Now get this. Reported a few years ago in regards to the Vimana, that unnamed military scientists allege that they discovered some kind of craft in a tomb. According to these reports, a 5,000-year-old Vimana was discovered entombed in a time well that had resulted in 8 troops disappearing, likely being incinerated. These reports have even suggested that the Vimana is still activated, which is what caused the death of the soldiers, as well as the disclosure that the original owner of the magical Vimana was none other than the ancient prophet Zoroaster. As described in the Mahabharata and the Sanskrit text, the Vimanas were 12 cubits in circumference and equipped with powerful exotic energy weapons that can essentially absorb a target in its vicinity. Other researchers have suggested that some interpretations of the ancient text point to even stranger powers: invisibility, levitation, or the power to suddenly absorb tremendous weight. Sounds like the powers that the top brass of the United States would want to get their hands on. 8 military troops that are still unaccounted for. Is the government ever going to release the true story behind this discovery in Afghanistan? This is incredible news. Now let's get to this. Brazil. A UFO flanked by 2 Brazilian fighter pilots. Take a look at this. 2 Brazilian jet fighters flank a UFO. They put the afterburners on and they got it surrounded, but this thing's faster than the jets themselves. It shoots up into the clouds. What are we looking at? Definitely not, again, a balloon. Balloons don't move that fast. Drones, no way in hell can move as fast as a fighter jet. These things are scrambling, trying to catch up to whatever this unidentified flying object is. Definitely not of this planet, in my opinion. Again, more evidence of Vimanas. I want to get your opinions below, people. This is quite incredible. And again, this is breaking news coming in, and I wanted to invite you to join me for more breaking news as it comes in live to our radio show. And it's going to be starting tonight, Monday. Don't forget to join me. The number to call in is 347-934-0378. Share your UFO experience to the world. It starts 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You never know what's going to go down on Third Phase of Moon Radio. And again, give me your comments below on these 2 incredible videos and information that just came into Third Phase of Moon. It's very important. Share it with your friends. Keep your eyes on the skies, everybody. We're not alone. Thanks, Brian.